Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kevekar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study Math Second. In this Math Second, chapter number 4, Geometric Construction. In this geometric construction, we study today to construct tangent to circle from a point outside the circle. For that, we take an example. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and center O. Mark point P at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center. Draw tangent to the circle from point P. Now, firstly, take a radius, means take a distance between two terminals of the compass is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter and draw the circle having center O. In this way, we draw the complete circle of the radius 3.5. Then take a point P outside the circle having distance 6 centimeter from center O. In this way, we draw the segment OP, which is having length 6 centimeter. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass is more than half of the length of OP. In this way, we take a distance between two terminals which is more than half of the OP. Draw the upper side one arc, then lower side second arc, then put this distance as it is. Put a terminal at point O and draw the again one of the arc upper side, then second arc lower side. In this way, this arc intersect the previous arc at this point. Now draw the line from these two intersecting point. This line is a perpendicular bisector of the segment OP. Now this point is M. Then take a distance between two terminal of the compass is OP, which is the radius, OM or MP. In this way, we take a distance between two terminal of compass is OM and draw the semicircle which is intersect the previous circle at 2 points. That point is A and B. We can draw this circle also complete, but we draw the semicircle. This semicircle intersect at point A and at point B. Then draw the arc, draw the ray which started from the point P and passes through the point A. Then second ray which started from the point P and passes through the point B. These two rays are the tangent to the circle at point A and at point B, which is drawn from the outside the point P. Now in this way we complete this construction. Then we see again a second example. In this example, the radius of the circle is same 3.5 centimeter. Draw the circle. Then take point P outside the circle having length 8 centimeter. Now in this construction, the length of OP is 6 centimeter. Here the length of OP is 8 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of this OP. take a distance between two terminal is more than half of this OP. In this way we take the distance which is more than half of OP and draw the one arc upper side, second arc lower side, then put this distance as it is and draw the second arc upper side and this third arc, and this is the fourth arc lower side. These two arcs intersect the previous arc at this point. Then draw the line which is passing through these two intersecting point of the arc. This line is perpendicular bisector of the segment OP. Then put a distance or take a distance between two terminals of the compass is OM as a radius and draw the semicircle. This circle intersect previous circle at point A and at point B. Now draw the ray which is started from the point P and passes through the point A. This second ray which is started from the point P and passes through the point B. Now in this construction, the length of OP is only changed. If the length of OP is 6 cm, the half of this OP is less than radius of the circle. And in this construction, the length of OP is 8 cm and its half is more than the radius of the circle. So this perpendicular bisector line outside the circle, in this construction this perpendicular bisector line inside the circle. Then again we see the example. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 cm. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 cm. In it, construct tangent at point M and N to the circle. Now in this construction, firstly draw the circle having radius 3.4 cm. Firstly take a radius 3.4 cm and draw the circle. Now center of this circle is O. Then draw the chord of the circle MN having 5.7 cm. Firstly take a distance between two terminals of the compass is 5.7. In this way we take 5.7, then take one of the point N on this circle, and from this point N draw the arc which is intersect the circle. The distance between N and M is 5.7, means it is the chord of the circle. Then join this M and N, we get chord of the circle. In this way we draw the chord of the circle MN. Then we want to draw the tangent to the circle at point N and at point M. These 2 points lie on the circle, so draw the ray which is started from the center of the circle and passes through the N. Then second ray started from the center and passing through the point M. Now take some distance between two terminals of the compass and put the one terminal at point N and draw the two arc on this ray. opposite side of the point N. In this way we draw the two arcs inside the circle which is intersect the ray ON, and here then take a more than half of the distance between these two arcs and draw the one arc of opposite side of this ray ON. Now in this side one arc and opposite side this is the second arc. Then put this distance as it is and draw the again arc in this way, this second arc in this way. These two arcs are intersect to the previous arc, and draw the line from this intersecting point of these two arcs. This line is tangent to the circle at point N. Now similarly put the one terminal at point M and take some distance between two terminals and draw the arc on this ray which is opposite side of the point M. One arc, this is second arc. Then take a more than half of the distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the one of the arc, and this is the second arc which is the opposite to the ray OM. Then again put this distance as it is and draw the arc. This is the one of the arc, this is the second. This arc intersect the previous arc. Now these two intersecting point, from these two intersecting point draw the line which is tangent to the circle at point M. In this way we draw the tangent to the circle at point M and N, which is the end point of the chord. Now again we take an example. In this example, see, draw a circle of radius 3.3 cm, draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 cm, draw a tangent to the circle at point P and Q. Now in this construction, firstly draw the circle having radius 3.3 cm. Firstly take the distance between two terminals is 3.3 cm and draw the circle. In this way we draw the circle having radius 3.3 cm and center is O. Then we want to draw the PQ, chord PQ having length 6.6, which is the twice of the radius, means PQ is nothing but chord of the circle, nothing but diameter of the circle, chord and diameter. PQ is the chord, but PQ's length is 6.6, so the twice of the radius. So we say that the PQ is nothing but a diameter of the circle. Now firstly draw the PQ 6.6 cm, then take some distance between these two terminals of the compass and draw the arc opposite side of the Q point. Then take a distance between these two terminals of the compass which is more than half of the distance between these two arcs. See, this is the more than half, means near about the distance between two arcs. Draw the one of the arc upper side. This is the second arc lower side. Then again put this distance as it is. Draw the arc upper side and lower side. In this way this arc is intersecting to the previous arc. Now draw the line which is passing through the two intersecting point of this arc. This line is tangent to the circle at point Q. Now then again draw the two arc opposite side of the point P. One arc, second arc, then take a distance between two terminals of the compass is more than half. See, this is the more than half of the distance between these two arcs. Draw the upper side one of the arc, lower side second arc, then put the distance as it is and put it on this arc one terminal and draw the arc upper side and this is the lower side. Then these two arcs are intersect each other, so draw the line which is passing through the two intersecting point of this arc. In this way we complete the construction. Good day, goodbye, okay.